First, open your web browser and go to the Visual Studio Code website. You can find it by searching Visual Studio Code. Once you are on the site, you will see a big download button. Click on it to download the installer for your operating system, Windows, macOS, or Linux. After the download is complete, open the installer file. On Windows, you will need to follow the installation wizard. Once installed, open Visual Studio Code. You will be greeted by a welcome screen where you can explore various features. You can customize your setup by installing extensions from the Extension Marketplace. And that's it. You have successfully installed Visual Studio Code. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.